Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new bill entry to your CashControl account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should click on the dashboard icon down below, which is the first option, and click on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the bill option, select the amount of money, then select your currency. Here if you scroll down you can find a bunch of options, but you can also type it into the search bar if it's easier for you. Then down below you can or below the amount of money, then you can select the current date, then your account, which is set to wallet. The due date can be chosen. You can add the category. You can type in a description. You can add your notes and text to it, and attachments can be added as well. If you click on the attach file button, you will be directed to your files when you can select an attachment. So just simply click on it and then it will be uploaded. So click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen in order to save your bill. Here you can check it out in the list section as well. If you slide to the right side of the screen, you're going to find the bill section, as you can see at the top. It's written over there, and you can check out the bill. So if you want to pay it, tap on the pay button, and you can also cancel it by tapping on the cancel bill button, so it will be cancelled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.